Hello there, it's Abhinav Nirala. I'm back here with my new video. So guys, let's lace our boots up for the 32nd match of IPL T20 2020 that is going to be played between two multi-time champions Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 16th of October 2020, the Sheikh Zayed Cricket Stadium, Abu Dhabi is going to host this encounter. This huge venue is quite famous for hosting encounters involving 150 to 170 runs. Now, let us check out how this venue's pitch shall most probably behave during the course of this matchup. Although decent amount of grass is expected to be on the surface, the pitch shall not assist every kind of players due to the possible installment of a dry pitch. We can't really bank onto flamboyance in such pitches. Talent is essential. Expect bowlers to come on top. In Abu Dhabi specifically, the involvement of dew really affects the match results. So, the toss winning side shall most probably opt to field first. Kolkata Knight Riders, Rahul Tripathi, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana, Tom Benton, Owen Morgan, Dinesh Karthik captain and wicket-keeper, Andre Russell, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Pat Cummins, Varun Chakravarti and Prasidh Krishna. After KKR's recent mistake in making Tripathi a number 7 batsman all over again, they will definitely exchange Benton and his roles. KKR's batsmen such as Gill, Rana, Morgan and Karthik haven't been consistent with their performances. They must show some consistency to provide more than enough confidence to Russell for coming back to his batting form. Now, let's take ourselves through this side's bowling attack. Cummins and Nagarkoti have performed very well in the first 15 overs of each and every matchup of theirs, whilst Russell and Krishna are finishing the slog overs decently well. CB Varun, as the lone spinner, has done his job in the best way possible. Right now, if KKR's trio of finishers sparkle, KKR possibly is the only side that can beat Mumbai. Mumbai Indians, Rohit Sharma captain, Quinton de Kock wicket-keeper, Surya Kumar Yadav, Ishan Kishan, Kieron Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Nathan Coulter-Nile, Rahul Chahar, Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Boult. This side probably is the most balanced side of this season, and it also deserves to attain as much success as it has been attaining this time around. After Ancient's entrance and Chahar's revival back to form, this side is looking almost invincible. Kishan, Pollard, Hardik, Krunal and Ancient, brute of a batting lineup. In addition to their firepower, MI also possess Sharma and Yadav's potential of taking the match through as anchors. QDK's presence in this batting lineup is the most significant one for this team, as he leads MI's batting lineup in the first 10 by playing some exquisite strokes. The 6 bowlers that are present in this side collectively are top class T20 bowlers. Chahar has come back to form and Coulter-Nile shall finally enter into the team with the responsibility of performing in accordance to his fees. Ancient shall be used as the first change bowler, whereas Bumrah and Boult shall be the spearhead in the first power play and the slog overs. With the kind of form and balance that MI possess at the moment, MI are the favourites to win this encounter. Take care.